With the release of the new iOS 26 update, there are new customization options to make your lock screen look exactly how you like it. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize your iPhone's lock screen in iOS 26. Now let's get started. If you haven't updated your iPhone yet, check out this video to learn how to upgrade to iOS 26. To customize your lock screen in iOS 26, lock your device or swipe down from the top left corner of your screen to access your lock screen. Hold down the empty space in the middle of your lock screen. Then tap Customize at the bottom to make changes to your existing lock screen, or tap the plus sign to start designing a new one. The customization interface will look pretty familiar, but there are a few new features that make the iOS 26 version unique. You can move your widget bar to be at the top or the bottom. Previously, they could only be at the top. You can also drag the bottom right corner of the time display window to make the time appear larger or smaller. You can still tap the time display to customize the font, boldness, and color. At the bottom, you can also choose if you want the time to be displayed in the transparent glass option or the original solid look. If you're creating a new lock screen using photos, you can change out which photos you want to use by tapping the little photo selector icon on the left. You can hit Tap to Preview to see what all of your featured photos will look like. If you have an iPhone 15 or newer, you can turn your photos into 3D spatial scenes by tapping the hexagon icon on the right. If you tap the three dots, you can turn depth effect on or off, and select photo shuffle frequency to be daily, hourly, upon locking your phone, or when you tap your screen. Continue customizing your lock screen with the widgets, lock screen controls, and style you prefer. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Add in the top right corner to save. That's all it takes to customize your lock screen in iOS 26. Want to learn about more new features offered in this iPhone update? Check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.